Adonu Zomo, if you don't know my great Nigeria people, you know the veteran now. Now we do two wire, that way. Yeah, we're expanding my phone to our great Nigeria people too. And now the veteran now. Kaya do do yen dene na ina. Manibu marinu yazan ewima. Marinu ayare ewima wa. Ununa mai yare ewima wa ena katuwa waya bota abi damio. Waya lawe dene na. Inye ni muri we dene na ena ina. Ivie do, ivie Nigeria. Ivi waya fe en walao. Na unima dole emi ma ji ikan we ka ye do gun ani ike do ye bo gun dawe egba no ma fo unu ma ya do aya dele mi o ma ji e na re no kan ma ni buniro ewebu no yunu ba mi kisan ye ewo ni akere dawo ni mi no ma gba ewo ma o na mero ji o ma eke ni ma unima na ya zan ewo ni ma kere ewe Nigeria eduoma n'ọbaji ọma eke maya ni risi ọ eke ni ma kugbe na uni ma dole wi ma ji ọ ma ọ eke ma ka ti no ma wi ma ewo ni ma we dene na orobuwe orobime orobi ma ya fe no re no kewe Nigeria pa orobi we do orobi we egbo orobi we san orobi we Yoruba obi ma ya fe no rewo ni unda ma ise we boni ha ma yunima ma ya azan egbima ma yan awe ewe Nigeria ma but ma ya ibe miamia we ma to bi ma be yunima we ma reason ya unda we Nigeria ni owe sie na mere ma ni risi munyiwe no magba ni ma ya rido amu rewo ni ma je no banwa no we no ma back or we bona but ma we Nigeria man Nigeria man via dole we magic orobuwe orobime uyunu uya azanwe uyunu uya azangiwe when I we go we ale kopa de anja de fet abianja nota ebo no kegun no wan ma mu go ma de mu uyunu we the great widow the widow or yagwana una afiunu ye no baje egbon wa be yo ni onyiwa tosin onyi o ma be yo wa do mu pa o re eniyan wa miere omo na bi alekin na o miere e no ri oda fun e bi pase ai ni ina odo alajan we peture ki ora afiunu ge ebu no kin pa nu wa la iwe dun iwe wo menu wa ni ma kin gbe na yunima yare evu ma wa ina do rebe dene na ina we do gun kan mi no bun no kan wie wi ma ya mo ya la kan be peture na ni a be media gun we Nigeria ma edo ma do bon wa no je orobu we orobi me re we bo ni ma je ni ma to bi ma yunu ma ya ri egbin ma amu ore amu ba egbe ayowo la pa ya tin no ma umu ya egbe Nigeria government ma si oni ni ha gwere ma mere ma amu ore amu ya egbe edunuwa nuwa la ni ma ya fi ewere na eri anyunyi ma to sik na eri ayuni ma ya we mi no ma gba na do rebe dene na the ambassador of Uyedo Torchmo of Benin culture na we do gu wa ya gun we dene na nu wa lao ira ye bogun ina nu wa lao ni ma lao ni ma me ni ma eri amonyi me dan unyi me no ma gba o ma eke ebu na ke para yunu gba mi si kan ko ebu nu ke pa ura yunu we teme no ma gba ebu nu we re ana bi we ebu na nu we je na ama we ama eme ima wi mare ma do gun le ba edek we ma we gba were ugun no gwa ono ha tore we mighty to level weji o mo ame bo do dole junwe uni mama ka ata we bo do gbe we ma my area gwa be media go to civilized world good evening Rosie Cho Sitat Zamani Twowe Sosa good evening Isaac good evening Isade good evening now we do gun waya gwan men no we do talk show then now basically I greet everybody in the house today. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I have a great topic today. My topic goes like this: how can we improve the image of Nigeria? Why I really bring out this topic today, based on the fact that the whole Nigeria citizen in Europe, we Nigeria living in Europe, we try to condemn the image of Nigeria with our mouth. But I believe there is something I want to thrust out today. There are a lot of things I want to bring out for you people to understand about the problem, the calamity we Nigerians are facing today. And I did not believe it is caused by our president, neither by a king, neither by the presider, by any organization. But today I want to bring it to you all that the problem of Nigeria lies in the hands of Nigeria, lies in the pastor, lies in the even lies in the Muslim. What we all need to do, we need to, with this our tongue, please, we need to mind the way we talk. Before I proceed, please just give me a second, please. Seconds, okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again. So, sorry for the inconvenience. So, my purpose, my topic here today, a lot of people are trying to bring their country down, great Nigeria, the great Benin Kingdom. But there are things I want you to understand today. The Nigeria we are talking about, you and I, we are part of the Nigerians. So, some people say, I will take you to FBI. Like people you say, go to, you are talking about those people have rights in Nigeria. Let's go. Those people have the Europeans have never called you to come and make peace in their country. Why can't we make peace in our own country? It is very bad for we Nigeria to scandalize the image of Nigeria. We living in Europe. Okay, now just take a look at the girls and the boys now, people who been naked in Europe now, making themselves a public figure in the YouTube, try to do things which is not rightful. Nakeding yourself and making such nuisance. Is it caused by the president? Those of us living in Europe, or those fighting here in Europe, is this caused by Nigeria president? No. So, I never said the Nigeria president is good, but I don't want you to know the problem we Nigeria are facing today lies in the hands of Nigeria. Nigeria, living in Europe. As I'm talking to those mostly in the media, because I don't want to talk to people in the media today. Because a lot of them, I can see a lot of things. They are just condemning. If they think they are condemning the image of Nigeria, they are condemning themselves. You are trying to let the European know that your reputation is zero. It's like you are telling people, my father is, you are insulting your father. Automatically, you are insulting yourself. Saying that where I came from, your father is a non-atheist. That's what you're trying to say. You see what you can remember. I remember what the American, the president of America said when he went to UN talk. The president of America. I remember what he said. You know what he said? He said, no matter the situation of America, I stand to defend the image of what? Americans, of USA, United States of America. Where are we Nigeria standing? Are we standing to defend the image of Nigeria or standing to scandalize the image of Nigeria? Are we standing to build Nigeria to become one or trying to put Nigeria to where it's not supposed to be? Nigerians, please, we should try and deviate and change the way of our talk. So please, I beg you all, we should try and do things that is rightful. Nigerians are here fighting, condemning themselves, constituting nuisance in Europe, and we are saying Nigeria is where the president is not good. But with Nigeria living here in Europe, our behavior is bad. Okay, look at what is happening all over the Europe now. A woman can just come out into YouTube and now you open your private, which is supposed to be a man need to respect. Now, at the end, you said that it's caused by Nigeria president. That is not caused. Or a man trying to blaspheme like that can say, I'm a widow. What is her name? I don't want to mention it. She know herself. What you are not supposed to come into the media, you come and be talking, because I know a lot of you coming out, you are jobless. You have nothing doing. Because I see no reason you coming and be saying things that is not relevant. Things that you think you are just trying to, you want to be famous, but at the point in time, you are scandalizing yourself. You are telling people these are the kind of person you are. You are making people to know that you are a stark illiterate. You are making people to know you are a non-atheist. So that is what I just want to let you, Nigeria, know. Any Nigerian that is exhibiting this character, trying to condemn his fellow Nigerian, trying to condemn his state. Rather, try to build him. If Nigeria is there are ways you can bring out to make Nigeria great. There are words you say in the media. If we can get your brain, we say, okay, this is what I will say. Fine, we have seen a lot of things that is happening in Nigeria. Talk about the Fulani aspect or what is happening which the president is unable to present, which is very, very wrong. We all know that. But based on that fact, let's talk about the European side. My topic is only based on the Europeans. I want to talk now. What we are seeing in European and today, all the kind of character people are exhibiting today, it is not caused by our president. It is not caused by the king. We living in Europe. Our character, both the boys and the girls, their behavior is bad. You can never be in constitutional nuisance in the street. You will say it is your president, or like the people, let me just say it is the people coming from Libya to Europe. Now, people are sharing, let's help people coming from Libya. Fine, it's good. But let's be realistic. Before I left home, I didn't tell my parents, I said I'm going to Europe. I make a decision of my choice that I'm going to this destination. Whatever I see, I bear it. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really concern my king. It neither concern the president. It is your choice. We are all in Europe now. Some choose to be a worker. Some choose to be a different kind of thing, which I don't know how to make a measure. At the time you become rich, are you going to give the money to your king? Are you going to give the money to your president? But you need to repair your land. So why can't we join together, our hands together, and stop criticizing Nigeria as a great country? Stop criticizing Edo State. Because my purpose now is to tell people, anybody is trying to criticize the state whereby it comes, you all know that person is nowhere to talk about. Because you cannot just come like that girl coming and that Asian girl coming and be saying all sorts of nonsense in the media. I don't want her to get this information. When next I'm going to talk to her because she's jobless. You don't have a husband. When you don't have a husband, you are coming to the media to say such nonsense which is not supposed, shouting out. What does that mean? The king should do what for you? It's the king that sent you to you. You are saying, Mama, untouchable. You are not, it is that kind of girl calling herself untouchable. She's nothing. Because there are things I watch, some stupid statement you are bringing up from your mouth shows that you are not brought, your father, your parents they never train you at all. Because I don't blame you, because when we are talking about, I know presentation, I can also, when we are talking about presentation, because maybe they will go to your aspect, the kind of position you practice in Europe is going to be, we can see it may be very, very bad, and maybe time because your video will be released, that this is what you did, or this is what you did. So those are the people coming out the media, trying to scandalize their kingdom, which is automatically wrong. Fellow Nigerians, today, and the great Benin, I beg every one of you, do not condemn, neither to spoil the image of Nigeria or the image of Edo, because I want you to know, let's join hands together to make Nigeria great, to make Edo State great. I used to tell people one thing, not what the environment can do for you, what can you do for that environment, and what can you contribute to the development of the society. What have you invented that people will know that, yes, this man, this is what he has contributed. This one way or the other, there is something he has invented. Not by saying things from your mouth, trying to scandalize the image of other people. No, I don't join such group. I don't just remember I threw a word to PFM people before, and I will keep on doing that when a due time comes, because there are some certain things I see when they are doing which I kick against. You cannot be saying you take you to the FBI. Take what concern the business. Like we telling people now in Nigeria that I will take you to Italian court, take you to this when you are living. It's of call for Nigeria. We should watch our tongue. You are telling people who doesn't know the law. We all know the law. One way or the other, we have entangled different people. We have been to court. So you cannot be telling people we know the law. You know the law. What you don't know is what you are ignorant of. What you know, you are no more ignorant of it. You know the right thing to do at the appropriate time. So please, I beg fellow Nigeria, we should please join our hands together and make Nigeria great. We shouldn't try to condemn our people. Okay, we all said our country is bad. You left the same country. You are here. Me, I am here. You don't want to go home. Okay, you left your brother to die there. You left your sister, your mother to die there. Why can't you all then? We said when we need a change of government, we all can make a decision. Come on, those that have documents, let's just go home to Nigeria. Then a peaceful demonstration is going to be, because when they change, they say nothing goes for nothing. Jesus died for we to be saved. Then something must go for something to be great. People that really fought for freedom, for freedom of their country. You see, a lot of people die. You can never be saying your country is bad and you are in America or you are in Europe, you are trained somewhere. You go to the land, then join the people. Let's make a peaceful demonstration. Even though you must persevere, even though you go to the jail, you go to the prison. Believe me, I tell you today, if you are destined a freedom fighter, your name will be written. It will bring justice. It will bring peace. It will bring development to your country. Your name will be written because this man fought for the change in our country. Not by saying it, or not by doing, or by self different, or coming to you, standing in the media to condemn where you come from. My dear, it does not benefit. It has no change. You say what you want to say. I call those people working for their pocket. You are trying to derive some, maybe after your, you have thrown some words to your president or government, then he can call you to say, no, my brother, it doesn't give joy. I just want everybody today, let's change the mode of our thing, the mode of our talk. And I greet you, Tessinogio. I greet you. You are welcome to this show, Pedro Guas. I greet you, Solomon. Sagbovo Sunday, I greet you. So please, I want everybody, let's try and change the mode of our talk, and let's now make our country be a good country. You are living in Europe, condemning your country. What do you think? They will looking at you like for another thing. You see them value Senegal more than Nigeria. These are the cause of this thing. People might not be just scandalizing their country, saying all sorts of nonsense. These people will not respect you. They can never and they will not. So my advice to we Nigeria, we should all come together as one and make Nigeria great. And I have a lot of topics which I'm going to discuss today. Because I don't want to first of all go into that Nigeria to talk. Because I got a lot of people told me I'm still going to talk on our parents, our sisters in Europe, and brother, whereby a lot of them are having some problem in their marriage. That those newly just came in now, having their people came in from Libya. A lot of them brought their problem. Okay, some of the boys who came, they don't have a job. They said that they are the mother of the girl. Told the woman with 2 kids to go to Nigeria, single mother, to be bringing money for them. Okay, now we are saying things. The problem, you see, now it's starting from our family too now. That is not Nigeria. That is not our president. How can a woman being with a man? Okay, since they come, the mother is telling the girl to deviate from the husband and move away to Germany, which is automatically wrong. To do what? Single mother. Being a single mother, you leave your husband, you go there. Are you going to tell me other man won't touch you? Definitely. It's impossible, my dear. This is my advice to we Nigerians. And this advice is a good advice. And I will still tell you something. Today is a good advice to we Nigeria. We shouldn't condemn our place. We shouldn't scandalize our culture. We should try and make our culture, our country great. Okay? So those of you watching me, I want you all to share. Before I have a lot of things to say now, But there are people who said, oh, I've been looking for a good wife. And people looking for a good husband. If I say good wife, I don't mean may I use pidgin. If I say people looking for a good wife, I don't mean say all those girls will be say no go fit stay house, so we no go stay husband, will be say like men with this cause problem. There will not be those kind of girls linked for these people where they want to look for husband, where they look for good wife. So not be wife where go bring problem, not be wife where go deal with husband. At the end, we go see they sleep with John or go they sleep with neighbor. No matter that kind of. My brothers and sisters, I want you all to please, let's join hands together and make Nigeria great. We should start from those of us living in Europe. And what we are doing here is not our president. We are constituting nuisance, telling them we are non-attack in Europe. You can use your presence, but you yourself, your attitude in Europe is bad. My attitude is bad, your attitude is bad. We should try and change our attitude first of all. Our mode of conduct. Let's try and deviate from such attitude. Ladies and gentlemen, but today, I just want every one of us to have a good sense of reason. So that to say this is what I'll do from henceforth. I want to make Nigeria great. I want to be a good conduct. I have a good conduct. I want them to know we live in Europe, that they should know that Nigeria are not the Nigeria they used to know. That Nigeria, with Nigeria, citizen of Nigeria, we have a culture. We work with our culture. We work with our tradition. Not by trying to scandalize the image of your country, trying to scandalize the image of your tradition. At the moment you are doing that, automatically you are scandalizing yourself. Please, I want us to stop that. We should try build our country with our tongue. We should try. When the old president of America said, no matter the situation of my country, I must live, stand to defend the United States of America. It's not a proud. Can you defend Nigeria? Can you defend your state? No. Look at our guests now. Problem. Our men, Europe, problem. Our youth, problem. Both the old, the young, problem. So please, let's change from those attitudes and let us be focused and know the purpose of we coming here. Let's change our attitude and be focused. Okay? Ladies and gentlemen, I will still let you all know today is somebody that is looking for a good housewife. If I say good housewife, I don't mean girl will go there, husband has go to choke for another place. So I don't mean say girl will go talk, say my husband, I know they satisfy me for bed. Jim Gentle, I greet you too much. I don't mean those kind of girls. So guess where they talk about, because especially good women, in those men wey only for good housewife. So not be woman wey be say don't go say it's only good relationship, because most of time we see now our me our sister come dey single, me our brother come dey single, so they come still bring that image come meet me say block this your show you as a Benin topic. We will soon let them know say some them need for a good wife. As in the work now, you don't need, because if I get you one way you get when woman mad go work now, woman begin go to sleep with your neighbor. That one good. That one not good now. Woman mad come up for us. He go work, go find daily bread come. Before he come, the woman another man go to sleep with her. That one a good thing. Make una answer my people. If it was say something, if you are there, say something to say it good, it bad. I beg. I just get somebody where you all need for it. Where be say, in then come, then they call say they need good wife, and which is confirmed, which I'd carry out my investigation first of all, and I really say okay, before anything I bring out, me I be traditional man. I work with culture, I work with tradition. There are some certain things you will undergo, so that with me I will see justice in what I'm doing. That you remember when I was a youth, they used to call me Ogboduwemi, because I be talk something, I go fulfill them. I no go talk something wey be say I no go fit do. I go talk something, that thing wey I talk, I go do am. So my brethren, make una those women wey know say e dey find life partner, no be women wey go dey also, because this one dey talk say make Nigeria be great, make we no dey condemn ourselves with our mouth, with our condemn our country with our tongue. So those wey look for correct, wey look for husband, if you dey look for husband, contact me. If you contact me there, no worry, because good man dey there wey talk say he need person wey say you need work, you need good girl, you understand? You dey hear me? Need good woman wey you wan marry, you understand? So na make me come use this media take talk to all of una. So when if you know say you be woman, you dey look for man, you need good man wey you want, wey you dey find husband, make you contact me, because person call me, person don't even write me, need for, they look for woman wey you go marry. If you know, I no want woman wey no good o, woman wey be say wey go reach stay husband house, no be woman wey no stay husband house o. No be like our guest, like that one wey pikin dey cry for bedroom, wey dey say baby I'm coming, you go dey choose something for your private part. That kind of woman no be woman wey dem dey marry for house. Those type of women no be women wey be say na put for house. Now I wan come use reason tell all of una so. Those kind of women no be women wey dem dey marry. Woman wey be say you put, wey you get pikin, you go dey bedroom, you go dey choose something for a private part. They say pikin I'm coming. Those no be that kind of woman dey talk o. Una hear me? I can't use this media and tell all of una so. Make we Nigeria use our mouth dey talk good thing wey be say e go favour us. Abeg everybody, make we no use our mouth dey spoil our wetin we get. So if you have to know someone, don't know why Ethiopia Ethiopia sasa no pe Ethiopia sasa no Ethiopia den de tu wa ya fe no iwe webo. Awo ti ma no wo no gwa lo bia no ma o ehun da bia ro no wi gwa lo wo. Susan Locking o bia ro wi gwa lo wo. No ma o no mo nyiwe. A traditional woman no ujinari no do. O no en ro bia akin na do ra ri ba e. Egbopo video. Agwalona. Hey, good evening, madam. This is because good evening. I see you. I greet you. I greet you, madam. Egbopo video. Good evening, o. Like Magwalona. No allow. O video aro. No contact me. O no Miami no. O no ma. No mwegbe. No ya stay you well done. No contact me. O no ma mwegbe well done. When I call you. O no feel where you are. Because I'll say now the tradition must come to stay. What is that? Ma uni Maria we mawa Nigeria ma were no suno sie mere no suno sie so agon pa o iwo ni malao iwedo ni ma uni ma oni ma na ya mi ye emi ni Maria o ni ma te mi no ma me no ma back o ekena iwedo ji. I greet you. You write LOL. Well, no, I'm greeting you, Susan Locke. I'm greeting you. I greet people. I greet the Tegwasa. I greet Yellow Talk Show watching. I greet everybody. You don't hear me now? Are you with me? I greet you. Okay? So, my dear, so I want everybody to know that. So if you don't know what, I just want everybody to know If really you are a kind of girl who only want a life partner, a good life partner, I never mean a girl that lack respect to Susan, someone has replied you now. I was greeting you. So some more giver has replied you. I greet everybody. Whenever I see anybody, I call your name, I greet you. So I'm not criticizing whether condemning you. Okay? Okay, thanks for understanding. So that is what I was saying. So there are a lot of things because with our mouth, so which is very bad. We can prophesy good things to our mouth and good things will come to our way. Okay? So what I was saying, I was talking concerning our country and talking concerning people who call there are some people that are looking for a good housewife. I'm talking concerning our media, a lot of our people who are scandalizing our culture in the media, like the girl called herself untouchable or whatever, that was saying things that is not relevant on the media, because those people I used to call, they are nowhere to talk about. I don't see when you come from a good culture, there are words you say to your father, there are words you are not supposed to utter out of your mouth. Any woman that does that is bad. Please, I want to beg our sister, they should stop sending naked pics to their boyfriend or media. They should please stop that. Well, or doing video tip, doing like that stupid girl. I call her stupid girl. What she's doing. Yeah? Or what they are doing on media, which is very bad. So these are things I want we all to learn, that which is very, very bad. We should deviate from it. Our guests, Nigeria guests, are the beg that not be president do that one. Not be our president they cause that problem. When fellow girl go naked, he go come out for me, they go naked, they do rubbish. He go say our president do that one. Now our tradition they cause that one. If you do, all Nigeria, make we stop that nonsense where our guests they do for Europe. I know if they don't get, but they don't get that, they don't feel coordinate themselves. When it be say you will come Europe, you will come the naked, they carry a stick, they chook for your body, they carry iron. Okay, if that show the man boyfriend how many way you feel get no fit satisfy you, that kind of woman how you fit stay husband house. Those kind of women, if I happen to begin power to get good law, those women need to be sentenced to death. Those women they bring shame to our country. Women wey go your carry, you go video, your pikin go dey cry. That only that girl wey we see that wey they post everywhere. That na just one. Most girls they do this thing. Which we suppose, those are things we need to eradicate from Europe. Because not be our president cause this one, not be our governor they cause this one. You and I will dey Europe. Our problem now be that we need to first of all solve that. If we feel solve that one, come up from one side, your conduct, you first change your mentality for Europe. Then you feel do that one, then the rest thing go dey peaceful. We dey use our mouth, they do what we not supposed to do. We dey condemn our culture. We dey talk what we not supposed to talk. Now let Benin people dey Europe. If you do what bare we boy, nana miere mi wa na ejiwa. Nana mi wa pa mi si kanke ekonu wa kere. Nu wa luwo wa ya lao. Nu wa fi ewere. Nu wa lao. Nu wa fi onyime ma. Ara agun onyimi ma re ipo ya ni a. Ipo iwa iyen imeni a etiyan re webo. Ipo ni bu e yawo o. Onyimi ya ri ma. Ni bu igo wodo. Ibi ani rock ni bu na wa be nu wa we no ma igba we webo. Awe we my mama ya lepa. Okay, we ma we lepa don we ise wo ni eran. Ayan gu we on. O ayan happy we dun na yo we ma e we ma we pa wo we dey. Okay, ayan make a peace ni yo. We pa me pa yan doleji. So it's impossible. Where me, my bag, won't my akoko do you. Where we ma, okay, I won't buy change. Where go no I change. I had been able to. And why I not make a change? Me and my revo make a change. They dwell in the land. Some died in the land. Some were victorious, and their name was being written in the book of record. That these people fought so here like this. This thing you are seeing, the change that immense today was done by a so great man. Not by you who sitting down in Europe here, be saying such of nonsense, invalid word of our mouth, just to extract from people. No, it's not called for. Please, ladies and gentlemen, my beloved brothers and sisters, we should be realistic. We should do things, the rightful things. Okay? That is why I just want everybody to know today. That is why I use this medium to beg our sisters that are doing things that is not called for media, that at the end, their nakedness is being showed all over the world, which is wrong. At the end, that stupid girl, they do they say, yo, what kind of nonsense is that? Maybe she's not a Beninner. We don't know. Huh? So I beg everybody, we Nigeria, both the male and the female, as it did the women body, now so it did men body. Make where you just dey okay. People you come from Libya, you dey come now, you dey fight up and down. What be your purpose where you come? And with the talks in Libya, everybody come up for a papaya, for a purpose, for a daily bread. You know, come here, make it become nuisance. You know, come here, no may not become, make only do what things not right for. I beg with Nigeria, please, you should deviate and let's work and think a positive thinking. Please, we don't need to be greedy. Please, I beg you all, Nigeria, we should please have a good thought and a good reason, and let's work together as one, that Nigeria, Edo State, will become great. I stand again as the ambassador of Uyelo Talk Show. I'm still telling people, if you are looking for a husband, contact me. There's a good, there are some men looking for a good life partner. So they are still writing. So looking for a good partner. Not be wayo. What I'm saying is not a film trick. It's reality. It's going to, you people are going to testify it. So please, if you are looking for a life partner, a good woman, contact me. Not like that girl. If you are looking for a good partner, please contact me so that I will liaise both of you together. Okay? A person looking for a good partner, please. So don't you say call us any message because of what he's saying. He really need this life partner. Please, any girl will not say he want to settle to marry, should please contact me. Contact me. It's reality. A good woman. I'll be a girl. Woman with dignity. Woman with culture. Woman that knows what tradition is all about. Woman that know how to prepare for. Not be say woman will be say if your husband not there as enough to prepare. Those kind of women, no. We are not looking for those type of women. I beg. I'm talking to everybody watching me today. Should please let's work together and make Nigeria great. Please, I beg everybody today, and I work with Nigeria. We should change from our thought of reason. We should change our mentality. That mentality of making us to think that we are not good, we cannot make change. Believe me, you can make change. I can make change. No man is permanent. It is God that gives this wisdom. God can give you wisdom, can give me wisdom. He can make you. You might be the one to change your country. You might be the one to change the Nigeria. In this Europe, you can be the one to invent some certain things which no one even thought, this man will do this thing. That is it. It's determination. Your determination today will lead you to success tomorrow. When they say there's something Bible says, a determined man, if a stumbling block is placed on his way, it will use it as a stepping stone to exit forward. That is a determined man. That is determination is all about. Please, I beg everybody, we should work together as one and let's have a good future. We should beg our sister that are fooling themselves in media to stay with such art. It's not a good thing. I never advise. And those kind of sister, they say our president is bad, but our president is good. We should change from those mentality and become one. So, because I'm saying this thing now, why I'm saying this thing? Because I want everybody to know. You understand? I want you to know to change from this attitude. Okay? So I just want you to know, please, I am still begging. We should work together. Let's come together as one and make Nigeria great. Nigeria, you are talking about involve you, involve me. When a country is not good, it's somebody that will come to change it. But you cannot change it with mouth. Nothing goes for nothing. Changing undergo perseverance, patience, death. You must die. Any great sacrifice for changes to take place, somebody must die. Who want to die? Only they say no, everybody want go heaven, nobody want die. If you not die, how you take make change? Nobody will make change. I beg everybody. So this way I come talk today. Make una try. Make una take my advice. May our Nigeria, may we change. You dey hear me so? So, I dey come. May I receive the guy call where they look for husband. Make una hear well. I beg. And I want to leave una with this good music. Make una hear. Make una take hear good music. Make una take understand wetin I come back. And they come. May I pick a call. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my brothers and sisters, as I was saying before, I was talking concerning our people, our Nigerians in Europe. We should please, let's work together and have one goal. We shouldn't condemn our country. We shouldn't criticize where you are from. You and I can make a change. But making a change is not by talking. Change doesn't come easily. Change, you must sacrifice with blood. Some may go to jail. But all you want, you're talking about change. You might not be talking with mouth without no action. Change comes in different way. The real freedom fighter, you see a lot of people, there might be 12 that engage on this freedom. 6 may die, 6 may survive, 3 may go to jail, and 2 may be alive. And maybe 1 may become victorious, and the name of the rest will be ours. Please, we have been criticizing our country. We should try to come together as one, and with this our tongue to repair and try and make a changes in our country. We cannot be in Europe and be criticizing where you are from. You cannot be here for life now. Think about your future. Think about your children. Nigeria is your home. It's my home. We need changes in our land. The changes is not by coming Europe and be criticizing your country. The Europe have nothing to do for you. They only come. You want them to come to our country and stay the second time. Like all these PFM members is saying, I always talk about them. Always say FBI. What do you know? What concern they concern you? If I never permit, will you come to my country? You have come first time to extract. The problem we are facing today was caused by the British. Okay, the British came there. Okay, we're talking about the North. Then make the Northern make them the head. And you are still talking like what the PFM are always saying. That is why I call those people PFM member. I don't know what to say, but there are things you said. Sometimes they say things that are true. Sometimes they will spoil it with calling about the FBI, the this one. So what they have nothing to say to help you. The European can never help you. A land whereby you and your wife will be having problems. They will tell your wife to give you problems to separate from you to do what to. So they cannot make peace. They do things where they benefit. All they are doing is wherever they want to benefit. They do things where they will benefit. A white man, if a white man is telling you that I'm with you, believe me that he's gaining something, he's going to do something to benefit. The rest is going to leave it out. So all those, that is why I tell PFM there's do some certain words which I'm not encouraging, it's not encouraging me. And that girl that is talking that said I'm a widow that used to say that thing, that girl should please pack her things and go to sleep. Please, those people on media, most of you, what you are saying is irrelevant. I beg every one of you, let's build our home, let's build our culture, let's build our tradition. But a lot of us are throwing our tradition. The problem we are facing is because we do it with our culture. I wish these people never come to our country. We are working with our culture, our tradition. Believe me, there will be a change in our country. I wish we were living the way we used to do. There will be a change. There are things we need to be celebrating which these people are doing in their land. Do you think they are doing it for yours, doing for sake? They are doing it for the betterment of their country. But we throw away our things and now we said we're for the betterment. Okay, if you take a look at, there are things, I have a lot, I don't want to go there. Let me diverse a little bit. Okay, if we talk about, look at some pastor, whenever they get passport, UK, they will not tell you that their vision is not here in Europe again. So there's a problem Nigeria are facing. One man preached the problem of Nigeria lies in the Christian hand. And it's the fact. And the problem of Nigeria still lies in the Christian hand in Europe. So there are things we need to do. There are things we need to deviate from. There are things we need to know that is benefit, that will help you, that things which are not supposed to be done, which we Nigeria are doing. We should please desist from it and make Nigeria one. We shouldn't be condemning your country. Well, the problem we are facing, okay, now Nigeria president go say me unique. Nigeria president cannot make you to go and fight in the street. Cannot tell you to go to train station and fight. Cannot tell you to jump in the train. Cannot tell you to. So let's look into consideration. I beg everybody, let's do that. As we do that, we see changes today. I can't believe today. All these things I want to talk about today is yours. We should try. You can make a change. I can make a change. And I'm still divert a little bit on an issue concerning a month that because someone was telling me, reporting issue to me concerning the Asian guy. I never want to mention his name. I said not now. The mother, she is with his wife. He said the mother says he lost his job. The mother told his wife the mother of the woman told his wife to leave this boy and go to Germany as a single mother, that she can be bringing money for her. That was not caused by our country. It's caused by, that's not family problem. And that girl, let me really go to that girl now. He was talking to Benin Drama, talk to the president that if you are a president of an organization, you protect, where you protect your organization. They're what we call family problem. Now, I belong to a Nigeria community, Bologna. The Nigeria community, they can only protect when it comes to living a community here in Bologna. But when it comes to other family problems, whereby their spiritual strong becoming, that doesn't concern Nigeria problem. That is why I come to that girl that is saying this thing on the media. Where you just they talk, that this girl make you the hear. Where you say single mother, where they talk, where you they talk nonsense thing. You they say single mama, you they talk nonsense thing. I just make you use this one here because the next time I will talk more way. But if they go to your history, watch you now. You are among those girls where all boys don't vandalize. After vandalization, they leave you empty and then you leave your pikin. You be there among those girls where see the chook is something for a pikin paper which you need to desist from it. Because you they say things which is not called for. You come media, whether you don't smoke, it go. I don't know for you. No, they come media, come they talk those nonsense things again. I never want to mention your name now, talk to you, but since you they say, make you desist from those stupid acts. Try to wash your tongue. Because they say when people don't frustrate, they don't you don't see good, because your attitude don't make you see good man. You will do Holland. Stop that word when you they talk from Holland. All those things not called for. You dey fool yourself. If you don't know, may you know. You are just fooling yourself. Those things are not called for. I beg you in the name of God. The boy where the friend, will he not go talk to you? Huh? The boy not go tell you. Please, I beg everybody. If you do, walao, the man wey we no joy, man, we no joy, no jedo, no raja ogima. Mi no do si fa igboare ni ma uni ma na ai me no ma no fo fun we yewo no wala na do guwa gon denena. We need peace and we want peace today in our home. Please, ladies and gentlemen, Ken Oyemini, I greet you. Deborah Osage, I greet you. My able lecturer, Courage Adosoma, I greet you. Please, you both share because very soon I'm just rounding up. I'll be rounding up like a few minutes from now. But next week is going to be, tomorrow is going to be a good topic. But today I just want to give this with Nigeria should please wash our tongue. And we make sure that we shouldn't condemn where we are from. I cannot say because mama, no, I'll condemn mama. You're wrong. You're wrong. No fire ourselves with the Europe self. Our attitude, what we they do for Europe self, they misbehave, they make nonsense. Now Nigeria government concern. When your brother want to say you go see what you want it better, you go draw and down. When your brother want to say you can't give out to police. Now you concern. Not be you Nigeria man cause put Nigeria man for jail. Not be you Nigerian man see where your brother want climb but you draw down. You move the ladder. You want climb. You see say this ladder I want to climb up. You draw the ladder. Make your brother fall. Make your friend fall. Make we change. Make we make change. The Benin, I beg all of una. Make them they bring shame to Benin again. Make una not any girl work una here say they do that. Make una bring a picture come for me. Make we change. Make be say. Make we get peace. Make peace say they know they disgrace us. I dey beg all of una. Ni makugbe. I use correct English talk. I use PG talk. I use Benin talk. Maybe later I use Akoko Edo or Ishan talk. Which one I go understand? Make we change from all this attitude where we dey exhibit for Europe. First, examine yourself. Now, make Bible to say, examine yourself here that ye are in faith. You that is condemning, you're going to examine yourself, your attitude, what you are doing. How many people have you condemned? How many people have you drawn in Europe? When you see your brother is going to excel, what have you done to him? Same thing when what the president is what's going. Same thing you have done it here in Europe. So those are the things we need to look into consideration. Wash yourself. When Bible say me they cast stone into the prostitute, what did they do? Nobody cast stone into the prostitute, because if you know say you don't see the stone you pick when you want to stone the prostitute, then you overlook yourself. But no one, everybody refused. Why Jesus used that word? He tell you, say you yourself, you get what you they do. Wash yourself first. If you look person in another person look you. Make we try change. Make we get unity. Make we not condemn our country. Make I not speak correct English. Not speak correct English. Oh, cannot speak correct English again. Now broken I reduce. I reduce broken now for them. I beg. Make una try. Because many things don't they agree to college. Those some are not my honorable bros. I don't speak correct English again. I dey speak broken. I beg. I beg. Thank you very much. Make una yours. Thank you. We like this one where you did. So thank you very much. May God bless you. So my brother, and I just tell now, I'm gonna ask you forget to as it tell now, even I say find better. Any good girl, get good person we want, they find good woman. Good woman. So very soon, because you never reach that period where they do that topic. But I'm very deliberate on that because somebody, because they need good woman. So if you know say you will be good woman, you will be good housewife, contact me, send me, or you call. If you dey shame, do anything, but you get a good love, okay? Any single woman looking for a life partner, call me, contact me. So now that one thing they just tell me, that one I offer give. I never did after woman where they look for, but woman where they look for life partner. Not be woman where not sabi cocoa. Not be woman where not sabi cocoa. Not be woman where not sabi great man. Not be woman where go there. You go say your husband not dey satisfy her for bed. Not be that kind of woman. Because I love, I see you. I beg everybody. Make we use our hand. They repair our thing. Most things they happen today. Don't see our sisters not get husband. Our brothers not get wife. Now what we use our hand cause? Like cause. Make we go back to our tradition. Make tradition compass. If somebody is calling. Hello. Hello.
My ambassador.
Hello, how about it? Yeah.
I greet you, ambassador.
I greet you, my brother.
See, I beg, we be the talk matter we be say concern our country. Ambassador, we no go understand why you go change the topic now.
Okay, I not change the topic of our country. I dey talk the same topic of our country. You say I change am. I dey talk the country of our topic. We say make everybody. Make now our attitude are not concerned. Why I put that one?
I want issue join that your matter because at the chat I call you so nobody busy. Be like say people they try call you too.
Yes.
That matter, what I see for the matter now be say how will fit improve our image. You see many problems with the face now for this our country.
Yeah.
Though they always cause the government. We don't get bad government. We know the deny our government useless. Where they're not good for her. And I make most people who the pass water, they pass everything, they kill their first take up. But we now don't reach this country now. We come Europe, we see that they arrange themselves. We see that they obey their government. You see their government, they arrange things for their citizens. We will call it spoiler for the citizen. Now our government, they make us do those bad. Now we will ask ourselves. And now if they record us in Nigerian people they do one. If they record us in these people they do. I know it's not only Nigeria that they do the bad, they say Ghana and the rest they do, but now my own country now concern me for inside.
Yes.
We supposed to do what we supposed to make them say, okay, Nigerian people they are okay, Nigerian people they are good. Then now we come with the toss with this civilized with the giant of Africa, but we come and they behave like animals. You come and they misbehave, they do anyhow the name of say to our country. Forgetting say our brother tomorrow will come this country. Now the bad until they look her. And now the bad until they look us from our side. At least we people in the base for Europe now supposed to know say we don't know one or two things for this white people hand. To tell no so okay now so we'll take the behave. If we don't do anything like this now, we can't say if we reach in Nigeria tomorrow, they can't give us one office who they control. We can't get better mind because our mind is corrupt. We corrupt our mind for what we do in midst of white people who they are not corrupt. That will go to reach the mind if we don't reach Nigeria where everybody is corrupt. Now this issue when you bring and come out, I really like and I appreciate her because sometimes I know the chat talk about our culture and everything. This life and our two things they govern the way we live for a country. One by culture, two by how will I put it? If I put it as a criteria for we living as a citizen in a country. Yes. I think those two things that they govern us, we are responsible for our origin, which is the culture, yes. And we are responsible for the color we are flying, which is our country, our motherland, yes. Which is Nigeria. Yes. And our boys will not do a lot of good things. Yes. You see now with the worker they go, they don't just say you are Nigerian. Nobody wants to talk to you, nobody wants to associate with you. Yes. All the whites don't say they live, our boss will be farm. But now they do anyhow. So now the small things what they do for street, now will they bring respect to our country. We don't need big things to do for this country because we don't get big things to do. But most remember saying all of us with the government, now all of us the guy Nigeria flag. Every little tomatoes will make one man or one better person to say, okay, this boy good, whose country for coming Nigeria. Now respect will they bring come to our motherland. Now this thing I want to make our boys to know, but most of them don't know. After they talk this one, some people they will be the best now. Some people are
no, some people they say unless they say good talk.
What did that guy they talk? The guy no cases at all. I know. Because they don't block some most people say they don't even read anything or self their self or self waiting does do their fault. Even though their mama did the next day, they not concerned them, they won't shop out today, they don't care whether their mama will die put for the next day. So now all these things I want to move their address and I thank you for bringing this topic. I believe that they'll talk. I always say they know the two the border because the matter not concern boy, it don't concern woman. And you now won't quickly turn out to man woman, you saw that they rush you come because that be their problem. At the end of the day, you get woman finish, you don't go keep the woman. Then you corrupt man, you still use that to follow the woman. Then you corrupt man, you use that to follow the man. At the end of the day, now they shall say, I don't know. First, the first ever we do for ourselves, now to help ourselves, to help our nation, then start to help our brothers. Before we do the thing for partner, because we don't disappoint ourselves as a human, and we don't commit against ourselves, not really the country even self. Now, I the thing I want to talk about. I want to talk about my ambassador. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. My brother and my sisters, you know, somebody can't call now. He said because waiting they talk about ain't like that stroke. He said what talk. Say because the problem with the read the face. May we look as we are there Europe soon. He said that problem where we are there where we they face, who they cause and whether our president say how we fit to govern our country. He said we get two type of way to govern our country. They use the traditional method and they use the democracy word because when we talk about the monarchy system of government and we talk about that side of the government, he said the two things are two different ways we say we fit make our country become great. He said but see people we there in Europe now we ourselves we there Europe. The thing where we they learn for years, we know they use and we they come they put our hotel they spoil their own. Now the same thing will go Nigeria will go use and spoil. He said so the problem where we get now with Nigeria they use our hand they cause some. When we will see like we will say na black, when we will see true we will say na bad one. He said that kind of thing. He said with Nigeria like we have they talk about boy and get issue now we go to compensate. He said this issue now when we come and so come talk about say the problem where we all they see sing for our country. Now we dey use our one dey sing cause am. Okay, you see when people go form organization and say form freedom, may I put example now. You form the youth fair the extract. If you come be governor president, what you go do? You no practice the law. And then you say white man spoil you, discuss by you. You come here, come go school for here. When you reach Nigeria, become go, you know implement the way you see. When you go to another aspect, he say no good. Now we dey use our hand, dey cause am. I beg our brothers and sisters, I dey talk to those of us wey dey Europe, make we change from our attitude, change from fighting, and the girls make una change from wetin una dey behave. He say because if we go office now, if you dey see say be Senegal, don value Senegal pass Nigeria, don value Ghana pass Nigeria. Why? Because of our behavior. Why can't we change our character? Why can't we behave decent? Nigerians, we should change our character. In Europe, we should behave decent. We should change our mentality. We dey focus on governor Nigeria. You come here, your character slip back. You come here, you say make government dey help you, government dey help you. And inside there, you dey fight for inside camp. He say na Nigeria government cause am. In opinion, wey break on. Now that Nigeria government cause am. Okay, you dey inside as you carry you naked. You dey play with your person phone. It's Nigeria government cause am. You put am, no be Nigeria government cause am. Now wetin you use your hand cause? Na be that. Make we change. Okay, now we say we know our own not good. Our country not good. We is from the pastors. Now make them talk. Now pastors spoil Nigeria. Okay, they come Europe now the same thing. Okay, you get passport today, you don't come out. You say you dey go for betterment. If God reach call you on that one aspect too. All this now problem where we Nigeria they cause. We are the fan already made. We don't want build. We use our hand cause problem. We fight for street. We do rubbish. And the same we say our country not good. You don't want work. Fight. If you don't get work, God must still provide means. You don't want work. You go do rubbish. At the end you dey talk say na government, na government. Nigeria government not cause anything. Now you and me now they cause the problem. You wey dey use Europe, una wey dey Europe now dey talk to. So the problem is caused by Nigeria. When Nigeria man see where government dey pay, you no wan work, you go sit down for I say when they chop government money. Who cause the problem? Now you are being a Nigeria government cause that one. When you know say if you dey work, say benefit dey more than if you know dey work. We should take. You think say the citizens of the country no sabi chop money. They sabi chop money pass you, but you go don't tell you consequence wey involve that thing. Nigeria no know. We Nigeria, we should try. May we change our attitude, our behavior. It gets churches wey see many now. Wey be say your passport will come out, you go back and go UK. Another one passport will come, you go back and go UK. You go throw away God work. After you say, God call you for Canada. God not call you for Canada. Now God will go call you for heaven now. So my sister, make all of us change that attitude. Where all the pastors, everybody, may we change from our character. May we make Nigeria great. Starting from those who call themselves men of God, that preach the gospel in the rightful way. Don't preach the gospel to extract. And let's make Nigeria great. You see, Oyibo man go dey talk say our church for here now to extract money. Why they talking? When crowd not there, if crowd if full church where pastor they do, if they get money, go come on go UK. He no go. Now the same thing they affect we all Nigeria. I beg everybody. I want to bring this show today topic down. Maybe say tomorrow I go comment on that topic. But Nigerians, make una change from our attitude. Government not our government not dey control us here. Now we dey control ourselves here now. But we dey misbehave. We dey fight. I beg everybody. Make we change those who see this topic today, you be Nigeria, I be Nigeria. Any show na the world where they condemn them, I'm gonna tell those guys where they mostly talk for shame, make them go change their attitude. Themselves, they are corrupt. Those one now they call corrupt seed. So those corrupt seed go corrupt the good seed. So you will not say be good seed. Try to win those corrupt seeds. Change your mentality. Make them not they do those nonsense. You will take camp where they fight for camp. Then you come here for purpose. Stop fighting. Huh? Go train station. Get go drink finish. You say but you go lead down, go chat. Go lead down. That na Nigeria government concern. No, now why we take concern? Oh. I come talk to all Nigerians today. The ambassador of Benin culture, here to talk show. Come take everybody. I already talk about culture, tradition. But I bring on this issue today because many things just the way they happen. When Nigeria man they greedy, you know what? It's like when we they talk about election, but we thank God say we don't see result, and we will say I'll come on that very good day on that topic. But they show that make I come late because we got things we will go do today. But the still can't day perfect. So I beg everybody, make we all join us together. Make your culture, your tradition become great. The only way to make peace in your home, if you work with your culture and tradition. Even Bible talk about tradition, talk about culture. What the Bible only talk on that one? He said if you too take culture, you forget him, tradition, then you take that one as number one to him. If he not dey good, Bible not okay. You understand? But we all throw away waiting reliable. What we supposed to do? Don't say no. Na modern like we did. Warrior agenda. Wait till be modern. Then they talk about present without the past. No. So I don't talk to an age this night. I believe saying this 1 hour show is enough. I don't want to repeat my words again. Make all of una good night and make una have a blessed weekend. I remain the ambassador of Benin Culture, the usual talk show. I believe tomorrow we'll get another program today because this show now not switch Nigeria because why not be show will be say one top because today now say you and me had the cause problem. Those were the top of it. I know what call it now, but later I'll be if they do I'll go waiting not supposed because me I'll be as you see me I fear God. If God say I will die today, I will die. If God say I'm not going to die, I'm not going to die. I believe in God. And also I still respect the great king. That Waba Osalo Boado. And I will Mogu atop there. So the great Benin, all our beloved sisters, una be princess before all of una come they misbehave. Make una change. Our brothers to change. Our great Nigerians change. Make we use our mouth. They talk good thing. We go favor you, go favor me. Eh? So next time talk about the next topic. We be say everybody go talk. So this is me, the Weirdo Talk Show, the ambassador who bring peace. Ambassador is a peace. He bring peace. Look into people's situation. He stand as a representative of the country. So I'm standing here, can represent my culture. So next time I begin to tell and things about the Benin culture again. And I was talking on that one. And I many things with them, my best way they find, I'll talk on that one. And many things they where they pay where I go talk. Something I not on now, y'all bring this one my own. But make we Nigerians do great things. Remain blessed. Subscribe to my channel. Go to Weirdo Talk Show on YouTube. Remain blessed. Share and do that. I greet you Doris Day. Ido Johnson, Triple Ace, Alatbede. So you all should remain blessed. And may God bless you. So I thank my great king, the Ọba Eware the second. Ọba Ewuya, Ọba Edo, Ọba Marato, Oikbe, Ọba Nosoba, Ọba Noragbon, Ugboriri, Ọba Enon Ewuya, Ọba Ugima Etiebo, Ba Etiebo, but Enika Ogwima, Wayano, Ba Misika no ma eke no Ogwa, again no Ogwane, fi Ewuye. Wow, we remain blessed. Ọba Atokpe is